Itanong mo yung kitab at saka sa mga namamahala dyan kasi ako, may sarili akong pananaw but I don't want to judge it because ako, kung mahal ko yung bayan, klaro sa akin, then I have to make my decision very clear. Hindi naman siya Pilipino eh. Kaya ang importante sa mga leaders ngayon sa sports at ibang mga sektor, kahit na atleta, yung pagmamahal sa bayan. Meron ba tayong pagmamahal sa bayan? Kasi kung magpamahal sa bayan, iwanan mo yung ibang bagay and focus representing the country, whether it's a small salary or what, para sa bayan.
So,
Kawawa, actually, I was watching the game yesterday. Hindi ko nga kilala yung coach doon eh. I found it inappropriate. If you bring the 100 million Filipinos, 1,007 islands, the country, you are bringing the best athletes, the best coach of the country. That's why ako, I'm not against foreign coaches. I'm not against mestizo athletes. I would like to invest in the Filipino athletes and I would like to invest on the Filipino coach. Yun nga lang, ang ating mga coaches dapat mag-upgrade, mag-aaral, kasi may kakulangan, may iba may kakulangan. But when it comes to basketball, I think we have so much talent. Even a provincial coach from Davao, Cebu, Baguio can coach the Philippine team. If not equal, better than an American coach.